Hidden blackheads under the skin. Deep pore extraction session. What are hidden blackheads? Not every blackhead is immediately visible on the surface of the skin. Some begin forming deep inside the pore where excess oil, dead skin cells, and tiny impurities slowly collect over time. As the buildup grows, the blockage gradually moves closer to the surface until it becomes a noticeable blackhead. Why do hidden blackheads become so stubborn? Hidden blackheads remain inside the pore for a long time, allowing more oil and dead skin to accumulate. As the blockage becomes denser, it can be harder to remove than a newly formed blackhead. This is why some extractions reveal longer or thicker plugs than expected. Deep pore extraction session. A professional extraction begins by applying gentle, even pressure around the pore with a sterile cum-done extractor. As the hidden blockage slowly emerges, the pore becomes cleaner and less congested. Proper technique helps minimize unnecessary irritation while removing the visible buildup. What causes hidden blackheads? Several everyday factors contribute to hidden blackheads, including excess oil production, dead skin buildup, hormonal changes, and using products that are not suitable for your skin type. Missing your daily cleansing routine can also increase the chance of pores becoming clogged over time. How can you reduce hidden blackheads? A consistent skincare routine can help reduce the buildup that leads to hidden blackheads. Gentle cleansing, regular exfoliation for your skin type, lightweight non-comedogenic products, and daily sunscreen can support healthier-looking pores. Healthy skin develops through consistent care rather than aggressive treatments. Final thoughts. Hidden blackheads may not always be visible, but they develop through the same natural process as regular blackheads. Understanding how they form can help you make better skincare choices and maintain cleaner-looking pores. Patience and consistency are the foundation of long-term skin health. Did you enjoy today's hidden blackheads under the skin transformation? Like this video if you enjoy realistic deep pore cleaning, and subscribe to Skin Remedian for more satisfying blackhead removal videos, skincare education, and weekly deep extraction sessions.